Got a couple new pieces here from Eonon. One is the new A100 camera. It's a 720p dash cam. So I'm going to use that for the Golf here, just to have one on it. And then they also sent me their new quick charge USB 12 volt port. So I'm going to put this in the Audi because the charger on there just sucks. Does not charge very fast, so that'll be for the Audi. This will be in the Golf, so let's go ahead and see what we got here. We got the cable. So we've got our USB end here, and then a DIN connector for the camera feed. So here's our camera and the female side of that DIN connector. You've got your mounting point, a swivel camera here. Kind of hard to swivel with one hand, but you get the gist. Got your Eonon branding there. So this part is actually metal, so that's pretty nice. Feels pretty quality right on the side there. So you got your micro SD card. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So here's our product overview with the camera there, the operating parameters, the installation instructions of formatting the SD card and everything, which we'll take a look at that. The functionality of the app, locking and deleting videos, and then some frequently asked questions there. So we'll go through all this again once we actually get it installed, and we'll go through how it operates in the app and everything. Looking like that in the box. Got some Eonon branding there. So we've got USB-C and USB-A 3.0 connections on there. There's your output ratings for USB-C and USB-A. So let's go ahead and throw these both in. So from reading our directions there, we know that we have we need to have a class 10 or higher SD card, micro SD card. So I got that insert in the side there. And now your camera's ready to go. So I'm just gonna do a dry fit since I have my USBs down here for now. I'm gonna take one out from underneath and then route it up. There's a little slot to make sure it only goes in one way. I think these are the head unit ones and not the charging brick thing. We will see for sure when I turn it on. Installation. So insert the micro SD card into the SD slot of the dash camera. Connect the USB cable to the dash camera USB port of the car stereo. Find the built-in U-card DVR pack of the dash cam from the APK manager or file manager of the stereo and tap install. So you're going to want to hit this blue dot. That'll pull up your main screen here, and then go to File Explorer, and then under USB we've got the U-card DVR. So that should disappear if I unplug the USB. Yeah, so then I'll go ahead and plug it back in, and then that'll pop back up here. So you can tell for sure that way also that you're plugging it into the correct thing. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this U-car, install the app. Sorry, hopefully you guys can see that. App installed. Let's open it. Oh wow, I don't know if you can tell how fast that is. Frame rate's actually really good. Let me see where the camera actually is. There we go. Some inception there. But yeah, pretty fast frame rate and everything. I don't know if you can tell on that quality. Really, really great quality. There's my shift knob there. But yeah, that looks really, really awesome actually. So let's go ahead and check out the settings. So if you want to go to the app, it's now installed this app, HD card DVR, and then you can check your camera at any time that you want to. So when this is on, it shows that you're recording and that it's doing audio as well. And then you can also do picture-in-picture if you want to have this up on your screen while you're driving or for whatever reason, and then you can just open it back up. That's a really cool feature. We've got our settings here. So plug and play I left on. App update, I connected to the internet and there was nothing to update for right now. Your recording options, so it'll do 3-minute videos and then it'll just keep going till the card is full. then it'll just delete that last video and then keep going. So that's pretty cool. I have the time on, audio on, and then the brightness the same. And then the device, I did the format of the SD card on there just to make sure everything was working good. So your other options are, if you click on the screen here, you've got microphone mute. So that gets rid of the microphone. When you turn it off, it'll come back on to let you know that you're recording. And then there's a picture if you want to just take a picture. So take a picture. There we go, check mark on that. Recording off, and then start the recording again. Lock your controls, and then this is to check your videos and pictures that you've gotten so far. I just recorded. Let's go back one. There you go. There's me taking the picture of the shift knob there. And then images. Got the image of the shift knob we just took. So yeah, overall, pretty good functionality wise. Seems to be working as it should. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it now. Alright guys, so as far as installing this, I had my two USBs coming from the head unit back here. So I fed one through there, underneath, and then connected my USB under here. Came out into the fuse box on the side here, ran up through this, then came around, and then you just go straight up from there over to the dash cam. So that's how it's mounted there. Might do a little bit of more tucking just to make it be a little more hidden. But yeah, I mean, while you're sitting here, you will see it obviously, but it's definitely one of the smaller ones on the market, especially for the quality. All right, so just got everything set up here. Go ahead and take one final look. You can move it up and down depending on what you want to see. So here we are in front of the camera. Let's be honest, if I'm this close to the car, I think it's over for, but let's go ahead and take a look. So now that we're back in here, gonna go to our clips, and then it should be this last one here. So there we go guys, that's about it. That is the camera. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave the link in the description, and feel free to grab one for any of your compatible head units, which is any of their head units with the USB input on it. So I think that's probably all, if not at least the great majority of their head units. But yeah, so thanks for watching guys, appreciate it, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Drug money, bail money, heard they got life for me. How they got life for me when they took that from me? Since I had my nose, yeah.